All right, Scouts. Are you ready to bring the energy to assembly with your drum and clapping skills? Let's break it down step by step, so you show up with style and confidence. First, check your uniform. Make sure your shoes are polished, your scarf and belt are in place, and your badges are shining. Looking sharp equals feeling sharp. Now grab your drum. Check that the drum skin is tight and the sticks or mallets are in good shape. If you're using a side drum, adjust the strap so it hangs just above your waist. Stand tall in the attention position. Feet together, drumsticks ready. Now for the Scout clap. It's all about the rhythm. Ready? Here's how you do it. Start with 3 slow claps. 1, pause. 2, pause. 3. Next, 3 medium claps. Clap, clap, pause, clap, clap, pause, clap, clap. Then pick it up with 5 fast claps. Clap, 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 clap. Finish strong with 1 loud clap, then snap a crisp Scout salute. That's the classic Scout clap sequence, usually after someone says, Scout clap for... Now let's add the drum. For flag hoisting, play slow ceremonial beats. Dum, dum, dum. During the national anthem, stand at attention. The drum major gives a beat before and after. When it's time for march past, roll that drum with a steady marching rhythm. Scout clapping time. Drum lightly after each clap pattern to keep the rhythm tight. After a speech or performance, 3 quick drum beats and 1 loud finish. The cue for the Scout clap to start. Saluting the chief guest, drum roll for 5 seconds, then stop and give your best Scout salute. Don't forget, subscribe, share, and hit that bell button so you never miss a beat. Stick your badge on that like button with your drumstick for extra Scout power. See you at the next assembly.